We'll guide you through how to turn off Google Drive on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. You'll need to be logged into your Google account. Once you're on the main Drive page, look for the gear icon at the top right corner, which is your Settings menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. In the Settings window, you'll see several tabs on the left side. Click on Manage Apps. This is where you can control which apps are linked to your Google Drive. Look for any apps that might be syncing or using Drive, and toggle off the option to allow them access if you wish to disable them. Now, if you are trying to disable the Google Drive Sync feature on your desktop, you'll need to manage this through the Backup and Sync app. On your computer, find the Backup and Sync cloud icon in your taskbar or system tray, then click on it. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the Backup and Sync window, and choose Preferences. Under the Google Drive tab, you can uncheck Sync My Drive to this computer to stop syncing. This action will stop Drive from syncing files to your computer, but will not affect your online files. Remember, turning off sync does not delete your files from Google Drive. It simply stops them from being mirrored on your desktop. If you want to completely disconnect from Drive, you can also click on the Account tab and select Disconnect Account. This will log you out of Google Drive on your desktop, and your files will no longer sync. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.